Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Tim and this is Tim the Trailman, and today I've got some exciting news for you. Baja Design just released their next generation Squadron SAE fog lamps for a ton of make and model, and of course their universal mount option as well. Let me tell you a little bit about them, and then I'm going to tell you some other benefits that they've announced as well. Straight off their website, they have 2,420 lumens per light. They have 56% increased performance. They also meet the SAE J583 fog lamp requirements as well. So they definitely are a street legal use fog lamp, which is fantastic that you can run them on the road, because if you're going to use them in amber, they'll help out in snow, rain, and dust. The best part of the next generation Squadron SAE fog lamps being released is they have a no-cost upgrade program for the previous customers that bought the first generation of the fog lamp. They're going to allow you to send in the fog lamps that you have, and you will be upgraded at no cost. You will pay the shipping there, and let me tell you what will happen. Once you send them in, the first generation fog lamps will have upgraded internal circuit boards, upgraded optics, and upgraded lenses. So they will meet the most recent SAE requirements for street legal use. What if you don't know the fog lamps that you bought from Baja Design years ago are the SAE, the Sport, or the Pro version? All you gotta do is look on the lens of the fog lamp, and in the lower corner it's going to say SAE. I couldn't get it to show up on camera very well, but that's how you're going to know that they're the SAE first generation lamp. If they don't say that, they're probably the Sport or the Pro, and this won't apply to you. I don't know why Baja Design is doing this program for us, but I'm definitely going to take advantage of it. So on their website, they say starting March 31st of 2023, you can send in those lights. They're going to fill all the orders they have for new customers that are ordering the new generation Squadron SAE lights, and then they're going to start upgrading the ones that are sent in. So I'm going to get mine there as close to March 31st as possible, and then I don't know how long it will take to get them back, but the 4Runner just won't have fog lamps probably for a month or two. I'm hoping no longer than that. If you know why they're doing the no-cost upgrade program, please let me know in the comments below. I wanted to give a huge shout out to my Patreon community. Thank you for all the support that you guys give me, and if you'd like to join the Patreon community, you can head on over to patreon.com/Tim the Trailman and see all the benefits offered there. And as always, if you'd like to see more content like this, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.